Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2. The assessor shall introduce himself.
Good morning everyone, my name is Martin Boto and I will be your assessor for Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our AC Manager, Aldo Sanfilipe, and Processing Officer and TESDA representative. You don't have to worry about their presence because they are here to oversee the conduct of assessment and check if the conduct is in accordance to the prescribed competency assessment, methodology, and procedure. Before we start, please submit the visual slip. Please sign the attendance sheet for 3 minutes. I have there with your accomplished application form and self-assessment guide. This will indicate that you perform all the unit of competencies enumerated for electronics. Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing NC2 to determine the level of competencies. I would like to welcome all of you to our Assessment Center for Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing NC2. The purpose of our assessment for Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing NC2 is to determine the level of your competencies. The application form is composed of basic common core competencies. The core competencies is divided into 3. A simple electronic product, service consumer electronic product system, service industrial electronics module products and system. To determine your knowledge and skills in electronic products assembly and servicing NC2, the third assessment, the assessment method that you use will be demonstrated or questioning and assessment method can help measure your upcoming knowledge and skills. For your personal needs, laboratory are located at the left side of the building, however, during the assessment. You are not allowed to leave the premises of the assessment center. If you have difficulty understanding the given instruction, please don't hesitate to inform me because I am very willing to translate it for you also. During writing examination, if you have any dilemma, write it down in your answer sheet. Don't be shy because we can accept your answer in writing or verbally. If you have concern, question, order, needs for you to clarify matters, concern, and assessment, you may raise your hand because I am more than willing to assess you about once the assessment has started. Please refrain from asking questions because it no longer allowed. In case you have question regarding the assessment result, you have a right to assessment. In case you have question regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal the TESDA Provincial Office for the Assessment Center and Assessor Assessment. For the assurance of National Certificate of Competency, the EC Manager should inform you where you can claim the National Certificate within 5 days after the assessment. After the assessment, you are not found competent. Don't worry about it because you can resist anytime at your own convenience. In case the assessment in full qualification, you have to go the whole assessment process. If you are found competent in some units of competency, the assessment should focus on the units of competency. We are not yet competent also if you failed to consecutive assessment. You will be advised to undergo the refreshes course before applying for assessment. During the actual assessment, please observe safety as you perform. The different tasks, check your electronic equipment before plugging it, avoid pulling the cord of your unplugged the equipment. In case of accident, please call my attention immediately so that we can provide first aid, and should we need rise our medical cabinet is located on the right side of the workplace. With regards to the result of your assessment, we observe strict completely there to ensure your integrity. The result will be made available to the authorized personnel and the institution where you have actual training over relation of this assessment. 2. Package is kept to a secure place to guarantee the integrity of it. I request all candidates to refrain from the giving any form of information that took place during the assessment process. Candidates, you have been asked to perform the different competencies from electronics, product assemble, and servicing in situ. I will give you 4 hours. I will give you 4 hours to work it on. Oral questioning and writing tests will be followed after your demonstration. If you have any question, you may ask. It knows because can ask questioning once the assessment begins. No more question. Your 4 hours start now. I will give assign a number. 1, 2. Okay, please proceed to the assessment area. Thank you.